Good morning and Jai Hind students. Hope you understand about the divisibility test. Today I am having some more divisibility test. Just sit carefully. First, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factor of that number. What does it mean? Let us take an example. Suppose 45 is a number. Okay, it is divisible by 15. It is divisible by 15. So if a number, this 45 number is divisible by 15, then this 45 is also divisible by the factor of 15. So what are the factor of 15? Factor of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. So this 45 is also divisible by this factor of this 15, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. Now let us take the second example, 80. It is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. Okay. So it is also divisible by the factor of 6. So factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 18 is also divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So I think you understand about this. What it is means, if a number is divisible by any number, so that number is also divisible by the factor of that number. Okay, this is the first one. Now second one, if a number is divisible by two co-prime number. I think you understand about the co-prime number. Co-prime number means two number having common factor as 1, only 1. Then it is divisible by their product also. So let us take an example, 40. 40 is divisible by 4 and 5. 40 is divisible by 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are co-prime number, means their common factor is only 1. How? Just see, what is the factor of 4? That is 1, 2 and 4. Factor of 5, 1 and 5. So their common factor is only 1, means 1 is present in both. So these are the co-prime number. So when a number is divisible by co-prime number, so it is also divisible by their product, means 40 is also divisible by their product, means 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20, means it is also divisible by 20. Let us see the second example, 30. It is divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5 are also co-prime number. So by what other number it will be divisible? Multiply 3, 5, that is 15. So 30 is also divisible by 15. So keep it in the mind, when a number is divisible by co-prime number, two co-prime number, so the number is also divisible by their product. Okay. Now other one, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, means two numbers are there and it is divisible by one number, then their sum is also divisible by that numbers. So let us take example, suppose 12. It is divisible by 5. Okay, and 20. It is 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 4 and 20 is also divisible by 4. So this both number is divisible by 4. So what is written? By a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Sum means add these two numbers. 12 plus 20, that is 32. Means this 32 is also divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Okay. Other one, just see. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. Okay, let us take example. Just like 30 is divisible by 5 and 15 is also divisible by 5. So what is written? Their difference. So find the difference. 30 minus 15 equal to 15. It is also divisible by 5. Okay, other example, 18 is divisible by 6 and 12 is also divisible by 6. So their difference 18 minus 12, that is 6, is divisible by 6. So these are some more divisibility tests. I think you understand this. Now let us come to about what do you understand by common factors. Students, you know factors, you know about factors, how to find the factors. So what are common factors? Just see one example I am giving you. What are the common factors of 12 and 15? Means which factors are common in 12 and number 15. So to find this, first write all the factors of 12. So what are the factors of 12? When you find, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay. Now common factors. How to find the common factors? Now you see which number is common in both. 1 is always common, 1, then this 3. Okay, only 1 and 3. No other number is common now. So common factors are 1 and 3. So this way you find the common factors of 12 and 15. Okay, now let us take the other example. What are the common factors of 8 and 14? Okay, so factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. So what are the common factors? Common factors are, see, 1 and then 2 only. These are the common factors. So these way you find the common factors of any 2 or 3 given number. 3 given numbers, just take one example of 3 given number. What are the common factors of? Find the common factors of 10, 15 and 20. Okay, so first write the factors of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now common factors, how you find? Common factors, see which number is common. 1 is always, 1 is a factor of every number, 1. Then see which number is common in all the 3. So 2 only here, 2. So this 5 is common in all the 3. So common factors are 1 and 5. So this way you find the common factors of any given number. Okay.